everyone, today we're unlocking the power of Snapcodes to add friends on Snapchat in seconds. We'll cover both scanning Snapcodes live and uploading them from your camera roll. You'll never have to manually ever enter a username again. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Before we dive into adding others, let's quickly see where to find your own Snapcode. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. You'll see your Snapcode right there. You can tap it to enlarge it or share it. Alright, let's start with scanning Snapcodes live. This is perfect when you're with someone in person. Open your Snapchat camera and aim it directly at the Snapcode you want to scan. Make sure it's clearly visible in the frame. Now tap and hold your finger on the Snapcode on your screen. Snapchat will instantly scan the Snapcode and add the person as a friend. It's that quick. Now let's say someone sent you a screenshot of their Snapcode. Here's how to add them from your camera roll. Go back to the main camera screen and tap the Add Friends button. In the search bar, you'll see a small ghost icon. Tap on that. Snapchat will ask you to select the Snapcode from your camera roll. Find the screenshot and tap on it. Just like that, Snapchat will scan the Snapcode and add the friend. Whether you're face-to-face or connecting online, Snapcodes make adding friends a breeze. And there you have it, 2 super fast ways to add friends on Snapchat using Snapcodes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.